Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking blue cheese dip. Blue cheese dip is perfect for buffalo wings and using on a buffalo fried chicken sandwich. Both those recipes you can find on the channel. In a bowl, add half a cup of mayo, followed by half a cup of sour cream, a quarter a cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, then half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Finally, grate 50 grams of frozen blue cheese into the bowl using a microplane. Mix it all together. There you have it, blue cheese dip. This dip is easy to make and it has a much better flavour than anything you can buy at the shops. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.